Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG front loader washing machine 7 kg. This machine actually totally dead. It's not working at all. According to the customer informed to us it's power trip one time. After that he is not able to use the machine. Because of that we collected from the customer house to our workshop. Now I'm going to check what is the exactly problem and we will go to the next step. Now I will show you what is the exactly problem. Now I have already given power connection to the machine. Here no power actually. Here nothing. It is totally dead. Now we have to remove the top cover and we will check what is the problem exactly. We will remove the top cover. Now we remove already. Now we have to check the power cable, power fuse, everything. Now we have to check here power fuse first. Sometimes chance to go fuse. Yes, my dear, fuse is okay, no any issue. Now we have to check here this power filter. Here we have to remove this one and we will check here for 230 power passing or not. I will remove the screw here. Now we can take it out. It's easy. Now we will remove and check it is 230 power supplying or not. Now we can check 230 power supplying or not. Now we will give the power connection again. Now it is power cable, no any issue. It is 230 supplying to the filter. Now here we will check here this fuse. Here you can see here one fuse here. You can see here that fuse already gone. This is the problem. That's why machine not working. Now we will do one thing. Now we will bypass. We will make this repair this filter fuse. After that we will check if it is working or not. Now we will repair the filter first. After that we will check. Now we are going to repair this one. Temporarily we will check. Now we will give the connection again. Now it should work actually because we have to check what is the exactly problem, why is fuse gone. Anyway, we will give the power connection and we will check. Oh my God. it is already gone again. It is fuse already went because it is huge problem with the machine. Now we have to check A to Z what was the problem exactly. Now we have to check heater, drain pump and door switch, everything. What I'm going to do now, I will disconnect from here all the connections through from the main control board, and again I will give the fuse. I will repair again fuse. What I'm going to do here, motor connection and pressure sensor, drain pump, and all the connection we will remove from the control board. After that we can check. Now only you can see here only two connection, that's mean main supply, here neutral wire and phase. That connection only we are keeping here. all the connectors we removed from the control board. Now we can check if it is again fuse gain mean problem with the control board. Otherwise it is easy method, actually it's easy way. Otherwise we have to remove heater, everything. Here it is very easy because already we remove the top cover because of that. Now again we will repair the fuse. Again I'm repairing fuse. Now again I repair the fuse which is gone. Now again I'm giving power connection. Now already you can see here it is power supply into the PCB, brown wire and blue wire. Here only the power supply code only with the control board. Now again I will give the power connection and we will check what will happen. If it is going again, that's mean problem with the main control board. Now it is 100% problem with the main control board. Now what we can do, we have to remove the, what is the problem, we have to check exactly what is the problem. It is gone main control board. Here I'm suspecting here too much cockroaches actually here and they are going at the same time. It may be it is shorted. Now it is not the minus weak, it is heavy weak with the ground. Now we will remove the back cover and we will check the heater and door switch and drain pump. Now already we removed the back cover. Now we can check heater connection. Now heater is okay, no any ground, nothing. Yeah, now we can check drain pump also. Now we can check drain pump here. Now you can see here pump. Now we can check continuity. It is we already disconnect the wire harness. Now we can check the continuity. See here pump also no problem. Here pump also no any ground. That's mean pump okay. Now we can check here DD motor connection also. If any shortage with the body or these three wires go to the DD motor, but no any problem with that one also. Yes, it's showing properly continuity. Also door switch also we can check. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove the disc, I will remove the main control board from the machine and we will check with another control board. We removed already detergent drawer. We have to remove two screws out here. Now we can take it out. Now you can see this control board. It is so many cockroaches are gone. But anyway, now we know here it is huge defect. That's mean 230 power shortage. It is might this IC. It is sometime it's getting short. Also here one track also is getting defect. Because of that, now we will do one thing. We will replace this, remove this PCB control, and we will replace with other control board, and we will check. Now we will take it out. Here you can see this control board. It is too much actually, cockroaches are gone. Now we will remove the display PCB here and we will replace with another control board and we will check. Now we will take it out. Here you can see this control board. It is too much actually, cockroaches are gone. Now we will remove the display PCB here and we will replace with another control board and we will check. Now we are going to remove display because it's no problem with the display. Now you can see still cockroaches are here. They are here and there, they are going still. This is the reason actually it's getting damaged, our house whole item. It's too much cockroaches. See still. Now we will remove the display PCB is no any problem. Look like no any problem. Now we remove already display. Now what I'm going to do? Now I will replace with another control board. Now I having another control board. We will check this with this. Now we identify no any problem with the devices. Everything's perfect. Now we will replace this one. This is the same number. Now we will fix with this board and display. Now okay, now we will do one thing. Now temporarily we will check with the machine if it is working or not. Now we will give the connection. Now I am going to give all the connections again. Now we know 100% problem with the main control board. It is already shorted. Now I am fixing with this control board. Already given connections. Now we have to check temporary. Now we have to replace this one. Also we will fix with another filter. Now again fuse gone, because of that I again repaired that same fuse. Now we fix already here. Now we will give the power connection. Now now it's not gone. Now it's not going. Now I will check with I will start the machine now. This job actually it's not we have to care. Now you can see here it is problem with the 100% that old one. Now I will check with the Q test also. I can check like that. Now this is the test mode with this model. Now I can check here door lock also okay. Now we will check. Now you can see here my dear. Start machine. Motor rotating. No any issue. Now I can check the RPM also. Now I can complete the job. I have to take the approval from the customer. After that my job will be complete. Now finally we have to check fix with the panel. Now I already repaired the main control board. Problem with the main control board. Now it will increase RPM again. This is 1200 RPM actually maximum. Now my job already completed. Problem with the main control board. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.